Hello, in this video we're going to study the natural frequency of spring mass systems. Here we have three spring mass systems, all with the same spring but different masses. Which do you think will have the highest frequency? Are you ready for the answer? Let's go! Do you get it right? Now let's play with different springs instead. By connecting two springs in parallel, we can double the effective spring constant. By connecting two springs in series, we can halve the effective spring constant. So going from left to right, we have here three spring mass systems with the same mass, but spring constants of 2K, K, and half K. So which will be oscillating at a higher frequency? Ready for the answer? Let's go! So it looks like the frequency of oscillation is higher if the spring is stiffer or the mass is lighter. Can anyone give an intuitive explanation why this is so? See you at the comment section. Ta-ta!